Hello everyone, in this module we are going to learn how to install NumPy and we are going to cover installation of NumPy using pip and conda package. So before we install NumPy, we have make sure of the following prerequisite. Make sure Python and pip both are installed in your system. Basically pip comes pre-installed with Python. Now we will learn how to install NumPy. The first step is you need to open the Windows command prompt on your system. You can simply do it by searching and you will get on your system. Now before we start the installation of a NumPy, first check whether Python is installed in your system or not. To check that, you have to type the command python space -- version and you will get the version which is installed in your system. Now we will install NumPy library. We will install NumPy in our command prompt by using pip. The command is pip install NumPy. It will take some time to download it, and this command will install the latest version of NumPy. As you can see, the NumPy package is successfully installed and the version is 1.22.3. Now before we create our NumPy example, first we will check whether NumPy is successfully installed or not. For this, you have to access the Python shell. If you write Python in your terminal, you will get the Python shell. Now I will type import NumPy and press the enter. Now I will check the version by using numpy dot -- version and hit the enter. It will show you the latest version of NumPy. With this we have learned how to install NumPy. Now we will learn how to upgrade and uninstall NumPy. If you have an old version of NumPy and you want to upgrade to the latest version, then you can use this command, that is pip install -- upgrade NumPy. And the reason behind is it will increase the productivity of your project. Now we will learn how we can upgrade our NumPy to the latest version. To upgrade it, you have to write pip install NumPy space -- upgrade. It will install the latest version. Now we will check which version is installed in our system. To check it, we can easily use pip show NumPy. As you can see that the version is 1.22.3. Now if you want to uninstall the NumPy package in your system, you can easily use the command pip uninstall NumPy. It will give the condition that if you want to proceed, yes or no. In my case, I will select yes. As you can see that the NumPy package has successfully uninstalled in our system. Now we will learn how to install NumPy using conda package, and we are going to cover upgrading and uninstalling of NumPy. So before we start with the installation of NumPy, we must make sure of the following prerequisites. Make sure Python and miniconda must be installed in your system. Basically Python comes pre-installed with the miniconda. Now let's start with the installation of a NumPy. To begin with the installation, we have to open the miniconda prompt on our system. Here you can see that the anaconda prompt is open. Now we are going to check whether Python is installed or not in our system. To do this, you can type the command python. As you can see the screen, the Python has already installed in our system and the version is 3.9.7. Now after this, we will create an environment for our application by using a name method. For this, you have to type the command conda -- name and the environment name. In my case, I have used my in name. You can choose any name to create an environment. Now I will press the enter button. To proceed further, you have to type the Y and hit the enter button. You can see that the environment is successfully created. Now to activate this environment, we have to use the command conda activate and the environment name. In my case, my environment name is myenv and hit the button. As you can see that the environment is created as a name myenv. Now after this we have to install NumPy. To install NumPy we have to write command conda install NumPy. It will take some time to install it. After that, to proceed further, we have to type y. And basically this command install the latest version of NumPy. As you can see that NumPy is successfully installed in our system. Now before we create any project in NumPy, we have to verify whether it is installed or not. To do this we can use the Python shell. To use the Python shell in prompt, we can easily create the command Python and hit the button. After this we are going to check which NumPy version installed in our system. To do this, first we will import NumPy and enter the. After that we are going to check the version NumPy dot hyphen hyphen version and enter. As you can see that the latest version is 1.21.5. With this we have learned how to install NumPy in conda package. Now we will learn how to upgrade and uninstall NumPy in conda package. If you have an old version of NumPy and you want to upgrade to the latest version, then you can use this command, that is for upgrading NumPy, that is conda update NumPy, and to uninstall NumPy, that is conda remove NumPy. So in the next module we will start with the first program of NumPy and check different ways of array creation.